If Discord is showing a network error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including a Discord outage, damaged network settings, or a corrupted app cache. The good news is that you can usually solve it yourself in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, before changing anything on your computer, check if Discord itself is down. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all, but on Discord's side. Open your browser and go to the official Discord status page. On that page, you can see whether Discord is experiencing outages, degraded performance, or service interruptions. If Discord is having issues, then the network error may fix itself once the service comes back online. In that case, there is nothing wrong with your computer and you just need to wait it out. If Discord is up and running normally, then the next step is to reset your network and DNS settings. This can clear out temporary connection problems that may be preventing Discord from connecting properly. On Windows, press the Windows key, type CMD, and then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the command window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can help remove old or broken network records. After that, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This command resets your Windows network socket settings, which can fix issues that stop apps like Discord from connecting to the internet. Once that command finishes, restart your computer. Do not skip the restart because the changes usually do not fully apply until your system boots back up again. After your PC restarts, open Discord again and test whether the network error is gone. If you still see the problem, the next step is to clear Discord's app data cache. A corrupted cache can cause loading problems, connection errors, and random app glitches. To do this on desktop, first fully close Discord. Make sure it is not running in the background. You can check your system tray or task manager if needed. Next, press Windows key +R to open the run box. Type %appdata/ from a Discord and press Enter. This will open Discord's local app data folder. Inside that folder, look for the cache folder and delete it. If you see other cache-related folders, you can remove those as well, but the main one you want to clear is the cache folder. Deleting this data does not remove your account or your messages, but it can remove temporary files that may be causing the network issue. Once the cache has been cleared, reopen Discord and sign in again if needed. In many cases, this is enough to fix the network error and get the app working normally again. If it still does not connect, you may want to double-check your internet connection, restart your router, or temporarily disable any VPN or proxy you are using, since those can sometimes interfere with Discord's servers. So to quickly recap, first check the Discord status page to make sure the service is not down. Then flush your DNS and reset Winsock from Command Prompt, restart your PC, and finally clear the Discord cache from the app data folder. These steps solve most Discord network error problems without needing to reinstall the app. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.